and then down. Good. If you need to deepen your lunge, you can. Oh, I broke my band. No way. Up and down. Oh. Did you see that? I broke my band. From the top. One more time. Hey everyone, it's Ella here. Let's get into our upper body workout using that same circular resistance band. So you want to go ahead and place the band around your hand. So palms are facing each other, like so. Take the feet nice and wide, roll up through your shoulders, zip up through your core. We're gonna start with a side lunge, take the arms up overhead. Side lunge. Now I'm going to my right and up, good. One more slow, shoulders stay relaxed. Single counts right here. We take it up and down. So just notice that I never lose the resistance in the band as I move. It's always tight, it's always tense, ensuring that the upper arms are working, right? Let's hold up here and take a little pulse. Shoulders stay down, booty's tucked underneath you, and let's push outwardly into the band. Push 8, good. 7, breathe. 6, good. 4, if you have any tension in the shoulders, just take this to shoulder height. 2 more here. Last one, rotate the palms to face me. Face them down towards the ground. We're gonna go for pulls. We pull back, 2, and in, good. Back, 2, squeeze, release. Notice how I keep tension on the band the whole time. If you wanna speed this up, you can. You take it down and up. So I'm just gonna show you. From the back, we're squeezing the shoulder blades together every time. You have 4, good. You have 3. You have 2, hold your lunge. Hold your squeeze between the shoulder blades. Little deep squeeze every single time. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Keep the elbows low. We want this work in the back body. 7, breathe. 6, good. Whew, I feel that one. 4, this is great for postural muscles. 3, 2, new move, hold this position here. Take your hands, palms facing each other. You want to take the band down to the knee and reach across. So it's nice and slow to begin. We reach up, 2, and down, twist. Good. Lift, lengthen, lunge, twist. Good. Lift. One more slow here. Option to speed it up. We take it up and twist. Look, this is your workout. So if you want to go slower, go for it. Move at a pace that feels good in your body. You have 2 more here. Hold your lunge, hold your twist. Twist, twist. Keep that resistance on the band at all times. It should never be loose. 8, 7, 6, good. 4, twist from your obliques. Hold it right here. From this position, turn to face the side wall. Take your right arm across the body, left arm points forward, push back, and pull in. So you're gonna glue the upper body to you. So same leg that is extended is the arm that is moving. Good, if it feels good. Extend, pull in. Extend, pull in, good. Keep resistance on that band. Feel this in the back of the arm and your triceps. You're anchoring down here through your chest. Let's hold the extension, little press, little lift. Whew, I feel this one, it's good. You have 8, breathe. 7, good. 6, the movement is small, but it's deep and connected every single time. For 4, woo. 3, 2, keep your wrist nice and strong, and then release. Go ahead and place the band underneath your front foot. Same leg that's extended back behind you, elbow pulls up and down. Good, up and down. So again, focusing in on that back body and the back of the arm. Squeeze that shoulder blade in. 3, good. 2, we forgot to do the slow ones. 4, slow, up, 2, and down. There we go. I want to make sure that body is balanced as we work today. Up, 2, and down, up, 2, and hold. Here it is. Find your pulses right here. You go. Little squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. So this is unilaterally. It's the one side of your body. My left side is working here. 8, breathe. 7, good. 6, whoo, keep pushing into the floor, into your lunge. 4, keep your alignment strong. 2, I felt that one. And 1, take your back knee down to the floor. Rotate your grip so the palm is pointing towards the ceiling. Bicep work. We take it up for 2 and down, good. So depending on the resistance of your circular band, you may have a bigger range of motion or smaller. Work with what's you're given today. Singles if you want it. Let's go 8 and down. 7, 6. I'm really gluing that arm to me, so I'm gonna go on the angle so you can see what that movement looks like. Whew, I'm sweating from this one. Let's hold halfway. You can do it. You're gonna find a small hold or a little deeper pulse right here. You have 8, go for it. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done on that side. Did you feel it? Shake it out. I'm gonna shake it out because I really felt that work. Now, we're gonna do the same series on the other side of the body. So you wanna reset, feet nice and wide, put some resistance on that band. We lift up, 2, down, 2, good. So at no point do you want your shoulders to come in towards the ears here. You wanna relax and stay long and lifted. Deep focus lunge option to speed it up. You have 8, 7, good. Resistance into that band the whole time. 2 more here. Hold it right here. Little push into the band. Deep lunge, good. Deep pulse into that lunge. I'm smiling, but it burns. For 8, 7, 6, oh my goodness. 4 more, counts for 4, 3, 2, rotate the palms to face me and take them halfway. We pull back, 2, and front. Back, 2, and front. So remember, we're squeezing the shoulder blades back behind us without opening up through the rib cage. So keep that rib cage nice and closed as you move. It's squeeze and stretch. Good, squeeze and stretch. Work at a pace that works for you. You have 4, you have 3, 2, hold your squeeze right here. Hold it. And again, elbows aren't high and shoulders aren't high. So really make sure that you're grounded into your upper body. Think about the tips of the shoulder blades behind you, squeezing together. You're almost there, you're almost there for 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Hold your lunge. Take the arms back, down, and over. So you're engaging your obliques. Big reach right here. We reach up, 2, down, twist. Up, 2, good. Down, twist. Now don't cheat yourself out of a really good front body stretch here. And you're really lengthening that range of motion for your obliques. It's lift and twist. Good. Again, work at a pace that feels good in your body, where you feel connected and strong. 2 more. Hold your twists right here. We hold, twist. So you're twisting from your obliques, right? Think about your waistline. Just wringing out your waistline for 8, keeping tension on the band. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Hold it right here. Turn face the side wall. Cross your heart with the band. Hold it close. I don't want to go over my mic. Right here, we're going to pull back for 2. Hug this arm to you. And down. Good. Yeah, I feel it. That's that look on my face. That's me feeling it. Single count. Let's go. 8, 7. So notice how my wrist stays nice and strong. I'm not breaking at the wrist here. So I want you to point your knuckles long as you extend. 2 more right here. Hold your extension. Hips are pointing forward, shoulders are forward. Arm is long, wrist is strong. You have 8, breathe. 7, good. 6, whoo. Oh yeah, that's a burn. For 4, 3, you got this. 2, and 1, release. From here, we place the band under the arch of the front foot. Same leg that's extended is gonna pull up, 2, and down. Good. Up, 2, and down. So you can play with the distance of the elbow to your body as long as you feel that work in the back body. Single counts. 7, good. 6, keep your core nice and strong to protect your low back in this position. 4, 3, 2, hold that squeeze, little squeeze, squeeze. So that one side of my back is really doing a lot of work, and so is this arm. You have 8, good. 7, breathe. Whew. Let's do it. 4, 3, 2, and release. Come down onto the floor. Rotate the palm to face the ceiling. Final set is your bicep curl. It's up, 2, and down. Good. So what you're gonna notice, my range of motion's a little bit smaller on this side. I'm just coming off an injury on this arm. I'm cleared to work out, and it feels pretty good, but I'm working with what my body's given me today, and this is it. Single counts. We go up and down. You gotta listen to your body. It tells you exactly what it needs to do. For 4, 3, 2, now I'm gonna hold my contraction. If you want, you're gonna pulse a little deeper into yours. You're gonna feel that isometric hold in those muscles. You have 8, breathe. 7, good. 6, body strong and tall. For 4, so don't lean over here. Push that chest forward, you're almost done. And then gently release. That band can go on the ground. Shake out those arms. Let's do a quick little stretch. So go ahead and take those arms nice and wide. Right arm comes across the body, left arm hooks underneath. Whew. Then take that palm back behind you, lifting through the chest, opening up through your front body. And other side. Take a nice deep focused breath, really getting into those upper body muscles. You want to release the muscles. Give them a little bit relief. Take the palm back behind you. I'm just swinging side to side because I'm bar buzzing as I stretch. And then gently release here at center. Good stuff, everybody. Hey Bar Babes, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Barre Fitness YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a workout, and we will see you back at the bar again soon.